just lost my whole outfit. Thanks to the reconnect button. I hate you, reconnect button. Never mind. Why is this always on my For You page? What the hell? Why is he spinning like that? This one's actually really cute. Oh man, they can do better. Warm it up. Warm it up. The boys are waiting. Warm it up. The boys are waiting. I can see you want it. I don't know. La 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 la. Warm it up. Boys are waiting. This is like embarrassing. Oh, hello, receptionist. Of course we have to do this stupid theme. Oh my god, that skirt looks so good. I haven't seen this YouTuber in ages. Didn't know they still post it. What the hell? What the helly? What the helly berry? The chills. No. But I don't even watch stuff like that. How is that on my For You page? I watch DTI videos. I'm drawing. I'm gooey. I don't know how to say it. This is kind of like a voice reveal. Whoa! That No, seriously, I don't know how this is all. Ah! Why am I so bad? Time to. Don't judge me, I'm on mobile. Oh my god, you saw this. They're making a movie of it. It looks like I'm Lily Rapunzel. I know it came out ages ago, but don't blame me. That's embarrassing. Warm it up. The boys are waiting. Those who know, if you know, you know. What? That goes like so pretty. Love. Mexican inappropriate. Oh, definitely not that Ali. How am I supposed to come up? Honestly, do that. Oh! Carat gold, la baby.